Everything is good now, guys? Come on. Come on, yaar, give the reply.
Yeah, everything is fine.
Yes,
Data.
yes, sir.
Everything is
Data.
fine.
Okay. Data. At the rate, what is that? No ask
argument.
constructor.
Entity.
At the rate, what?
All are constructor.
At the rate, what is
At
that?
the rate
Entity.
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 So find
At
now
the
that.
rate table.
And here, what is that? At the
At
rate
the rate
ID.
of ID. ID.
Okay, that's it. Okay, so but here what we will do now, guys? Here what we will do now? At the rate, what is that? Many
Auto
to,
wire.
no, at the rate many to
Okay.
one
Many to
we
one.
will apply.
Many to one.
Because what relation we are going to perform it now?
Many to one.
What relation? Many to one. So what is the annotation now, guys, for the performing many to one?
Many to one.
Yes. Okay. Okay, good. So good. So okay, come here. Okay, so now let's repository. Let's create the repository. Now right click interface, right? What is that? First we will take what is that? Department DEPT repo repository, right? com.rk. What? Repository. Repo, just take a repo. REPO repo. What is that? Department. Repository, right? Now finish it. Okay, so here what we will do now? Extend, right? Here extend it. Extend, what is that? JPA.
JPA repository.
JPA repository,
JPA
right?
repository.
So here what we will take now? Department.
Department.
Department, right? Department. And what we will take here?
Integer.
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 Why we are
Integer.
taking? Because why we are taking here integer? Because in the department we made this department,
Primary
right? This one is a primary key. Because
ID.
of that we are taking, right? Good. Now let's right click new, take another interface. What is that? Employee repo.
Repository.
Employee repository. Now finish it. Okay, here what we will do now? Extend.
Extend
JPA repository.
JPA repository.
JPA repository, right? Here what is that? Employee.
Employee.
And here what will be there now?
Integer.
Integer.
Good, very good. Now the things is completed. Shall we write one runner class and shall we test it now, guys? Come on.
Yes.
Okay, so what is that? Right click new, take the one class, and what is that? com.rk.run test.
Runner.
One many to one.
Many to one runner.
Runner, right?
Runner.
Good.
Yes.
Okay, guys. So okay, so here what is that? Implement
command
CLI.
runner.
Command line interface.
Command line runner.
Command line
Command
runner,
line
right?
runner interface.
Inside that one abstract method is there also.
Run method.
Okay, so if how our IOC container will create the object?
Component.
At the rate component.
Okay, good. So now everything is completed, right? Come on.
Yes.
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 Okay.
Following.
So we have to run the
So okay, so if we want to save the data, right?
We
If
have
we
to
want to
create
save the
object.
data, what we will do now, guys?
First, we have create the object.
create the object of the parent class.
DEPT
Repository.
repo.
Repository.
Repository.
Repo, right? Okay, so we will make the auto-wire, right?
Auto wire.
Okay, good. Another one is what? Private what? Employee
Employee repository.
Employee repository. EMP repo.
Good. Now make as a what? @AutoWire. Okay, guys. So what we will do now, come here. Okay. So we will store the data, right? Based on that, how our data is there now, then we can get the clear picture, right? This is our data and this is our expectation. Okay. So first what we will do now, let's delete each and everything here. Okay. In the employee, drop the table. Okay. Nothing is there. Now see this, guys. Nothing is there now. Nothing is there. Anything is there? No, na?
No, not
Our
it.
expectation
Not there,
is
bro.
what?
Not there.
Two table will create.
Creating
What is that?
two
First, what
tables.
will happen now? See this two table will create now, guys. And what is that?
Yeah, first
And
one.
in the parent
Employee.
table, one foreign key will generate, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, right.
Yes, right, correct.
Okay. So let's do it. Okay. Let's do it, guys. Okay. Okay. So next one is what, guys? See this. Okay. So okay, good. So what we will do now? Department. We will create the object of what? Department. Department. Okay. Department. What I'm going to do now? I'm taking what? Only one department. Okay. New. What is that? Department, right? Department. Okay. So see this. What is the data now, guys? What we are taking now? Here 10 and Dev and Padma, right? See this. I'm taking what? 10 developer, and what is that? Admin person is what? Padma.
Sir, device string.
Inside the string development, DEV. Yes.
Okay. Good. So good, guys. Okay. So what we will do now? This is the department. We will save this. Okay. So what is that?
Dot save. Dot save.
Save, right? Save. What we will save it?
Yeah, pass to the
Department
D11.
1. Okay. Good.
Yes.
Okay.
Now
So,
create the employee object.
so good. Now again, what we will do now? Let's create employee object, right? Employee. What is that? E1 I'm taking, right? New employee. New employee, right?
Sir, we are taking arrange as a list. Sir, direct take arrange as a list.
Oh, that's also
Employee
good.
array list.
But here I want to show that a different way. Don't worry about that. Okay. So here what? So based on that, come here, right? Come here. Okay. So 1 and 2, we will take the primary key 1 and 2. A and B is there. Let's take someone name. Okay. In that meeting only. Who want your name? Amrani. Let's take first name Amrani and another one is what? Today Pujita. Let's take Amrani and Pujita. Okay. One is the other country and one of the our own country, India and other country. Okay. These two people. Okay. Good. Very good.
Okay.
Okay. So what is that? I'm taking ID 1. Name I'm taking what is that? Amrani. Amrani. Amrani, right? Okay. Salary I'm taking what is that? Salary I'm taking just 2.2. Okay, 2.2. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, whatever your salary is there, enjoy with your salary. No need. Okay. So okay, department 1 I'm taking. Copy this one. Okay, department 1, paste it. Okay. Here we will paste the department. Okay, one department. Good. So again, copy this one. Okay. So here employee 2 I'm taking, guys. Okay. Employee 2. Okay. So here the primary key is what? 2. Okay. So here Pujita, right? And what is that? Girls, now let's give the more salary, okay? Just kidding, guys, okay? Actually, just kidding, okay? Don't judge me about these things, okay? Okay, so D1, okay? This is okay, good, very good. So now, okay, here, what will be now? Let's save it, okay? So, okay, one more. Let's take one more employee. Why we will compromise, okay? Anyone want our own name, guys? Just let me know that, okay? I will take that person name, okay? Because if I select maybe, okay? So, because Padma, I made already admin person, okay? So I can't take it. Another person, anyone?
Rabi.
Manju, okay? Okay, good. Manju, let's take the Manju. Manju Lata, na? Okay, Manju Lata, I'm taking your half name only. Manju,
No problem.
Okay, so here what is that? 4. Okay, so here department is the same only. Okay, these 3 members are there. Okay, these 3 developer is there, and this developer is belonging.
Employee ID change, please.
Yes, these 3 department belonging. These 3 people are belonging in the same department. Now, what we will do now? Let's save it. Okay, paste it. Dot
repository dot save.
Save. Okay, so here what I'm taking E1 employee I'm saving now. Okay. 2, 3, 3, right? Here what I'm going to do, E2, and here what is that? E3. Good, very good. 3 department. Okay. So shall we run the application and shall we see our desired result, guys? Based on the explanation or practical is working or not? Come on.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Eagerly waiting, right?
Come on. Yes, sir. We are waiting for the result only.
Okay, series, run the application. Good. Okay, guys, shall we observe our table now? Now right click.
Yes.
Refresh.
Yes.
How many table is created now, guys? 1 and
2 tables.
2 tables.
2 tables.
Department and employee.
In which table? In which table foreign key will generate?
Employee table.
See this?
Employee table.
Yeah, DOBD and ID. Actually, I did not give it because of that. What is that? 10, 10. Okay, na 10, 10. 10 foreign key and Amrani, Pujita, Manjulata. This is the employee table, guys, and department only 1 record will be there. See, 10 Padma and Dev. Come on, yaar.
Yes.
We got it.
Clear.
Based on our theory or practical is working or not, guys? Come on.
Yes.
Yes, it's working.
So this is which concept we completed? Many to one. Okay.
Many to one completed.
We completed many to one. Okay, guys.
Yes, sir.
Are you enjoying? You people are enjoying the session or just?
Yes, Ravi, we joined.
Yes, enjoy your session. Enjoy.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, guys. So let's do actually. Already 2 to 6 now is going a little bit. Actually, Saturday is there now. I have also some work, guys. Okay, so I will complete those work. Okay, so we will connect tomorrow and we will try to complete it. I think tomorrow also will not complete, guys. Okay, so if extend, then we will continue in the next weekend, and the next weekend only I will start MBC also, guys. Okay, MBC also. Okay, so see this, I'm not see these concept are Hibernate concept, guys, but still in the JPA also I'm teaching. Think about that.
MBC already completed.
Okay, Ravi.
This concept about Hibernate, okay, not a Spring JPA, guys. Okay?
Complete. Yes, Hibernate provides the association advanced association.
So now one relation we completed, guys. Okay, we will meet tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow, and we will learn next level discussions, guys. Okay, tomorrow, if you ready again, I will take till 10 o'clock session.
Yeah, 10 is fine tomorrow.
Yes,
Yeah,
no issue.
yeah, good.
Ready.
Ready, na?
Today also ready, no issue.
Today also ready.
No, Satish,
After
actually,
night dinner.
I have also some work, guys. Okay, if in the weekend I'm already busy now, and because of I taken the responsibility, because of that I'm not bunking the sessions, guys. Okay, otherwise I can stop the session also, right? But still, whatever
No, Ravi,
work
depends
is
on
there.
you. Depends on you.
Yes, no, I will today. I will not take